Good day. This is the Dodge Dakota. Doesn't really matter what year it is. Mine is a 2003, but we're going to replace the rear signal light of the truck on the driver's side. Now, I did a video about replacing the front signal light. It's different. It's a different video. I'll put a link down below in the description. But just the basics. If you're driving along, normally when you go to turn, you'd see it flashing at about that speed. However, if suddenly it starts doing this and it's going really fast, that's an indication that a bulb is burnt out. At this point, we don't know which one. It could be the front or the back. So just turn on your signal light, get out of the vehicle, go check it out, see what is not lighting up, and then there's your problem. So let's move along here, and we'll get this light bulb replaced. Okay, so before we get going here, just show you a few points. There's two screws that you have to take out, and I believe they're called Torx type ends. And the size, mine's on a little bit of a socket thing, but it's a number 25. So I'm going to use a little ratchet like this. Might be easier to do that, especially if they're stuck on. Or in some cases you can attach it to one of these, or else a screwdriver that just actually has the number 25 end on it. So let's go ahead, we'll take those two out. And before we get going, you're gonna need 3157 bulbs. You're only gonna need one, of course, as far as I can tell. So make sure you pick up some of those. All right, let's roll. P.S. I'm up in Canada and it's snowy, and the only positive side of it being snowy is you can keep your beverage cool in the snow. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these out. And my biggest concern, since I'm up in Canada, is corrosion, and hopefully I'm not going to run into any problems with pieces being rusted out. Unfortunately, that's how things go up here. You know, the end is rusty, but as long as the mounting hardware behind there is good, we'll be all right, I hope. But yeah, I can see rust falling out of there. This one out. It's rusty. I'm going to spray these with a little bit of lube, like some WD-40 or some sort of maybe rust check or something, once I go to put it together. And in theory, the light unit should just pull out, pull it straight back, and there we go. I guess well, it's coming, but it should pop out of here. Now I'm just gonna, I don't like prying things, but there we go. That did something. Okay. And here, so let me move the camera. So now I did say it was the signal light, and that will be the top bulb here. And it just turns. Pull that out. Okay, and if you actually look at the filament, yeah, I think it's burnt out, but what we'll do, we'll pull that out. Let's get our new one. Put this in. I'm going to quickly go turn on my signal light and just make sure that it's going to be flashing for me here. Hang on. Okay, so voila, that's what the issue is. So let's put this back together. It's pretty easy. So of course, once I went and I checked it there, the flasher was not going really fast anymore. So we know we solved the problem. It's just a matter of get this screwed back in like that. And just so you can see, there's this pin and this pin, and those have to go back into these two slots. And as you can see, it looks fairly corroded in here, unfortunately. Yeah, wow. That's Canada for you. So what I'm going to do, I am going to spray this down with some rust inhibitor. Yeah, you know, yeah, I can't stand it. We have so much salt and stuff on the roads here. It just wrecks your vehicle. That's all there is to it. So I'm gonna spray this all down really good. I'm going to spray these little pins here, and I'm also going to spray, these are the little clips. Like this clip looks totally destroyed. Like I don't even think the clip is, I might have to go and buy another clip, but I'll put it together for now as best I can. Because yeah, it's so rusty that like there's a clip here, and this clip looks like it's totally gone. I'm not even sure. Yeah, that's not good. I don't know if the clip just fell off. I'll take a peek, but I have a feeling it's totally rusted and it's gone. So, okay, let's put it back together. So, like I said, there's the two pins. Hopefully you can see this. And you just want to line those up. The pins should actually, like even with that bad clip, the pins should hold this in place. And I think I'll get a little bit lucky here. Let's just put the screw back in up here. Do this top one. So at least the one is going to tighten up, and it's actually holding it in fine. This bottom one, I'm pretty sure that this is not going to work on the bottom here, if you can see it. But, you know, it's just, these are the things you expect when you live in Canada and things get all rusty. Yeah, see, this one won't even go in, so you can buy these little the little clips, so I'll go and get one when I have a chance, but it's actually holding in fine just with that one screw. Not ideal, but that's how things go around here sometimes. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Come back for more. As I said, if you want to learn how to change the front signal light, I have a video on that. I'll put a link down in the description. Have a great day.